So total cost was $127. G'day guys, I put a poll out to see what videos you wanted to see, and grocery hauls was right up there. So I thought I'd do one today. So here's our meal plan for the week. On Monday, we are having Vietnamese chicken rolls. Tuesday, burritos. Wednesday, pizzas, which Dave does, and I've actually got a video of that where Sophie and Dave are cooking up the pizzas, which is a funny one to watch. And then on Thursday, we've got lamb chops with potato mash and greens. On Friday, curried sausages. Saturday, chicken kebabs and mash. And Sunday, chicken Kievs and mash. So you'll notice we're having a bit of mashed potato there. I'm pregnant and I'm craving mashed potatoes, so that's why we've got it. So for burritos, we've got a burrito kit and 4-star beef mince. Then some mozzarella. And then over here we've got some veggies. So we've got carrots, which we've already opened and had a bit of a snack of. Brushed potatoes, 3 kilos worth, as well as some pak choy. So the pak choy we just boil for about 3 minutes and then do a sauce of soy sauce, oyster sauce, and some garlic. Here we've got the chicken thighs, and this is for the Vietnamese rolls, as well as some lovely fresh coriander that Dave's gonna do. Then with the pizzas, we like mushrooms on our pizzas. Gonna try some anchovy fillets this time, as well as capsicum, red and green, pineapple. You can't beat ham and pineapple pizza, can ya? Next we've got for lunches, we've got some ham as well as for the pizza, and then some salmon. So we've been trying to save a little bit of money on our lunches and not having our main dinner meal for lunch as well the next day. So that's been a big saving that we've noticed, saving a bit of money there, which you need to coming into Christmas. Then over here we've got some fruit. So we've got pears, apples, and then we've got 4 packets of Turkish rolls. They were on special for $1.49. Love those for toasties. So many options with those. Then some fruit, lovely berries, strawberries and blueberries, as well as some yogurt. We have that together, as well as kind of honey with the yogurt. Got some milk, some orange juice. So I'm wanting a drink that's not water, but I wanted it to be 100% orange juice. No fruit drink or anything like that. Then we've got some eggs. So on Friday we have bacon and eggs for brekkie. So we've got eggs here, butter, stocking up, as well as we needed to get some toothpaste and toothbrushes. Dave and Sophie have totally spoiled me with some red and pink roses, as well as a Snickers. And last and not least, we've got some more nappies for Sophie. Thanks heaps for watching, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Definitely planning on doing a Christmas shop. We're having Christmas here this year, so we're going to be buying lots of flour. Do you want to smell it? Nice. Thanks heaps for watching, guys. Bye.